Hi, everybody. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I want you to be able to watch my video and not take up too much of your time, but wanted to walk through the page super quick so that hopefully I can answer some questions that you may have. All right, so today we're going to talk about learning from our mistakes. Okay, so we don't have mistakes, we just have happy accidents. So watch me. Ooh, watch me. Okay, not funny. Task 2, here we go. Watch the voiceover, the video slides for today's class. So here's the PowerPoint link if you guys want to click onto the PowerPoint and have that. Otherwise, here's the link to this video. So this video is taking you through the PowerPoint slides. It's like 7 minutes long. Okay, my video that I'm recording right now is going to be right here, but right beneath it, this is the content for today's assignment, talking about learning about mistakes. Okay, after you've done this, listen to this like 7 minutes. Your mistakes worksheet is right here. Okay, it's a PDF. Make sure you download that in Notability so you can type in it. And you're going to upload it right here into the assignments tab by 11:59 tonight. Okay, so it's a 2-page worksheet. It is due tonight. It takes you through step by step. If you watch my video today, it should be pretty easy. And make sure we're filling that out with complete sentences, complete thoughts, that we're getting full credit for that. If you can't access the PowerPoint slides up there, I've also linked them here as well. All right, good luck. Let me know if you guys have questions.